Brittney here, and I just wanted to talk to you about our upcoming all-day medicine making class. This is an all-day class from 10 to 4, and me and Natalija came up with this wonderful class to help empower you all to learn how to make and create your own herbal medicine in a simplified way. This class includes all of your handouts and lots of takeaways. Of course, you get to taste everything. So what are we gonna be doing? Okay, so some of the great things that we're gonna be doing is making our own herbal tinctures. We actually have the tincture brewing right here so that it's already concentrated for you guys to take home. We're going to make herbal salves. How do you make infused oils? So this is a great pain salve that you can share with somebody else, or you can use it on yourself and know how to recreate it for yourself. We're gonna make a delicious fire cider, right? So this is using apple cider vinegar to extract the constituents of the herbs. So you get to put together your own blend. Some of the most fun things that people like to do is actually making herbal capsules. So we're going to talk about what herbs are actually beneficial in herbal capsules, and you get to make your own. And you get to create your own personalized tea blend. I still have some of my past students come back to make their tea blend over and over because it's helped them so very much. So what else do we get to make? We get to make a delicious syrup that is so easy to make. So you don't have to go to the store anymore and buy your herbal syrups. You can learn how to make herbal simple syrups in such a simplified way. One of my favorites is my creation of my cocoa bitters. So bitters are gonna help digestion, and I'm gonna teach you all about it. Such an easy way to make it. It's kind of my beginner herbal bitters for some of you that your palates aren't gonna want intense herbal bitters. So we really hope that you join us. If you have any questions, make sure to call or email Natalija and I. If you want to find out more, you can go to desertsageherbs.com. You can sign up right there, but we're looking forward to spending a whole day with you, and bring one of your friends. Make it a girls' day. I tell you, you won't regret it. There will be so much information. And the other nice thing, bonus, after the class, you get 20% off of the whole store, which is so exciting too. So anyways, hope to see you there. Super excited for our next upcoming group. I just love our groups. And we are so excited to empower you to make your own herbal medicine. See you soon. Bye.